Hello everyone, welcome to this video on top tips about YouTube Shorts. If you're not familiar with YouTube Shorts, it's a new feature on the platform that allows you to create 15-second videos that you can share with your audience. First things first, creating a YouTube Shorts video is super easy. All you need to do is click on the camera icon, select your recording device, and start filming. You can also add text, filters, and effects to make your video more engaging. Now, let's talk about the importance of creating engaging content. Your video should be short, sweet, and attention-grabbing. The best thing about YouTube Shorts is that it's perfect for sharing quick and concise information about your brand or product. Next, make sure to create a call to action CTA in your video that encourages viewers to subscribe to your channel or take action. This is crucial because it helps you build an engaged audience and increase your visibility on the platform. Another tip is to collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other YouTubers can help you reach a wider audience and build relationships with them. It also shows that your brand is authentic and relatable. Finally, always aim to provide value to your audience. Your video should be informative, helpful, and entertaining. By doing so, you'll build a loyal following and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. In conclusion, creating engaging content, encouraging viewers to subscribe, collaborating with other YouTubers, and providing value to your audience are all key factors in creating a successful YouTube Shorts video. So, go ahead and create something amazing and share it with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.